Sneezing with your eyes open? Ever done it? No, but that's not the point. The point is it's nearly impossible to do. Why? Well, when you sneeze, your body does some weird stuff to protect itself. Your face muscles tense up, and your eyes pop wide open, but then they quickly slam shut to prevent them from popping out of your head. So if you ever do manage to sneeze with your eyes open, please don't try this at home, by the way. You might think it'd be funny, but it's actually dangerous. You could pop an eye out of its socket and go blind. So, don't. Now, if you did happen to sneeze with your eyes open, would you blink, or would you just let the tears flow freely? This person chose to blink, but it didn't really work out for them. Human bodies are weird. Subscribe for more cool facts.